The refs lost all control of this match. Into the ring post again. You rock, dude. Oh, he caught me. What in the world? I'm hung up in the ropes. The Road Warriors ain't no joke, are they? Precious Paul's interfering. Oh no.
Hey, I'm about to put up with Dylan. And we're about more WWE 2K19 classic matches. And this match is Demolition versus the Road Warriors.
That's right, we're going to defend our Tag Team Championships against the Road Warriors, huh? And we got Mr. Fuji as our manager. And the Road Warriors have Precious Paul Ellering. And we're getting it on at SummerSlam 88. And we're getting started right now. Alright, brother. We're going to defend these tag team belts that we won from the Hart Foundation, huh?
We roasted the Hart Foundation.
We did. We roasted them in a ladder match. I put Jim the Anvil Neidhart through the freaking ladder, didn't I?
And I put Bret Hart through the table, I think.
I don't remember now for sure, but I know that we kicked their monkey butts.
Yeah.
And while we're waiting on this match to get started, be sure to smash that like button and give us a big thumbs up. And if you have any classic wrestlers that you want to see in our classic matches, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. And we'll try our best to put them in a match for you. Alright, Demolition, I'm Smash, you're Axe. And we're going to stomp a mud hole. We're going to kick their stinking teeth in. That's what Smash used to always say. I'm Smash and you're Axe. Let's kick their stinking teeth in. I'm in first, alright. Oh, no way. Oh, no. Yeah, take that. Reversed it on him. Get over here, Hawk. Good, I'm tossing him into our corner. Here he comes, Irish whip. Tag, I'm tagging you in. I'm trying. There we go. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we can cheat. I'm sorry. Bringing it back into the ring. We can't do that. We'll get DQ'd, man. Oh, he caught me. What in the world? I'm hung up in the ropes. Did you see that?
Yes, I just saw that reversal.
Man. Oh, you got a new comment on one of your videos over there. I see it popped up on the computer screen. Oh no. Oh no. The Road Warriors are pretty tough, dude. We got to be careful not to lose our tag team titles here. We got to keep Hawk in the ring and not let him tag. Yeah. Nice shoulder block.
Quickly, he doesn't mount an offense soon. It looks to me like his partner's itching to get in there. And now might be a good time to give him a
Oh. Oh no, the ref's stopping me. Come on, we're bad guys. We're supposed to cheat.
Sharp one right to the cheekbone.
What?
Man, he's over there chewing me out. Did you see that? Uh-oh. They made the tag. Nice. Yeah, take that. Double team, and here we go. Yeah, look at that. Oh, take that, animal. Uh-oh. He reversed me already. I think I got him. Yeah. Two can play this game. Oh no. Yeah, see? I'm a reversal machine too, animal.
SmackDown Tag Team Champions.
Oh, Lord.
Thanks,
Thanks, Dylan. You helped me out right there. Hey, get back over there because I'm going to throw him into our corner.
At one point, it seemed like the Usos had everything
Uh-oh.
in hand. Rhino and Heath Slater refused.
Here we go. Here we go.
After a gore from Rhino practically cut Jimmy Uso.
I'm going to toss him to the outside and you work him over and I'll distract the ref. How's that? Oh, he reversed it.
Never say never in WWE is absolutely right.
But I did too. Look out. Yeah.
Oh, that's
What a strike. A bad place to be for the challenger.
You better get out of the ring, Dylan.
To get him out of control for him. Guys, I wasn't anticipating this.
Hey, how'd Hawk get in here? Oh no, get out of the ring, dude. Get out of the ring. Go back to our corner. You totally got me hosed right there, buddy. Oh no, and he makes the tag.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Yeah, it is. Take this, animal. Uh-oh, Precious Paul's interfering. Oh no. Dang it. And now you're getting chewed out by the ref. Oh man. You were for a second.
Look at the torque.
I'm gonna come over and make a tag.
Members of the WWE universe,
If I can get out, yeah.
have felt that tag team matches should have two referees. One referee is in the ring overseeing the action, and the other is
Nice.
I'm
going to. I hope I don't clobber the ref.
Not engage in potentially
Move, ref. Oh dang. Okay, go get him now.
Something perhaps Mr. McMahon might want to consider. Byron, earlier you raised a point that people have been talking about for years, and that's a second referee being appointed to tag team matches. I remember
That's right. Demolition.
WWE President Gorilla Monsoon.
Oh, into the ring post. Mr. Fuji's getting involved now. Yes, take that. Into the ring post again. You rock, dude. Mr. Fuji's picking him up.
He's got to hurry if he doesn't want to get counted out here.
Okay, let him get back in the ring. I'm coming out. Take that, Hawk. Oh no, he reversed me. Look, Dylan's up there beating up Animal now. I got a signature for you. Oh no. It's alright, let him, dude. I'm getting back in the ring. I got a signature for him. Nice. If I could get up, that would be awesome. Oh, look at that. Takes Animal down. The refs lost all control of this match. Uh-oh.
He's looking at it.
Oh, no. Oh, dude, he's military pressing me. You better get on the apron. There you go. Uh-oh, he's trying to cut the ring off on me. All right. Uh-oh, Hawk's mad. Look at him. Come on, give me a reversal here. Get up there so I can make a tag, buddy. Oh, roll out, smash, come on. Uh-oh, he's get ready to come in because he's getting ready to hit me with a finisher.
Here he goes.
Not yet. Oh, don't let him pin me. Yes, Mr. Fuji's getting involved now. Two can play this. Hit him, Dylan, hit him. Thank you. Ha-ha. I'm coming to make the tag, Axe. Okay, now let's... Oh, no. Animal made the tag. Yeah, let's double team him. Hit A to get him, and I'll hit A and get him, too. Yes. Now I'll get out. Yes, look at that.
If every tag team in the back isn't watching this match, they're doing themselves a major disservice.
Oh, man.
He is rolling.
The Road Warriors ain't no joke, are they?
Well, I was just thinking they're both butts. Outside.
Wait a minute. Oh, man, what a hit.
No, I didn't. He headbutted you. Oh, no.
Big slam.
Dropped you on the top turnbuckle. Look, Hawk's down there puking. Look at him. He's down there heaving all over the floor. You've beat the snot out of him so bad he's throwing up.
It's almost like he enjoys the pain. Sure, he'd rather not be on the
Yes,
receiving
nice
end here,
reversal.
but let's not lose focus on the fact that he's in far better shape than his opponent right now.
Yeah!
He is rolling.
Yes. Oh, no.
Reverses that one.
Good. You're not getting our tag team belts, Road Warriors. You got him for a minute. I'm going to get down and drag Animal off, or Hawk off, so he can't make the tag. It won't let me move.
Hold on, guys. This isn't good. No question.
Hey, he just threw a chair in the ring.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Get down here, you punk.
He kicked me absolutely outside.
Well, you can't get pinned outside. Move, ref. The ref got in my way. Come on. Yes, take that. I caught you slipping, Animal. Onto the chair. No way. How did he make the tag?
Game changer right there, Michael.
I just took their manager out. Precious Paul Ellering just ate one.
I just finished her Hulk outside.
Good deal.
I'm just as surprised as you guys are. He wants no part of the outside.
Yes.
He's going for the pin.
Ha ha! Yes! We defended the Tag Team Championships against the Road Warriors. Do you even believe it? That was a wicked good match. We destroyed them, son. I like being on your team way better than fighting against you because you always kick my butt. And this way I don't have to worry about getting my butt kicked by a 6-year-old little kid.
If you like these WWE